Transform your sight with the simple techniques. Ever wonder if you could improve your eyesight naturally? Today, I will reveal how relaxing your eyes and engaging in active dynamic watching can be a game changer in your vision health journey. Let's explore these foundational skills that can naturally enhance your sight. Plus, I will share my top 3 techniques for eye relaxation, including the magic of dynamic relaxation. Transform your vision with these 3 key skills. First, learn relaxation techniques for eye health. First of all, relaxation isn't just beneficial, it's essential. Why? Because most eye troubles come from our eye muscles being too tensed. Once you learn to relax these muscles, you will notice your vision starts to clear up. This approach changed my life after 25 years of myopia. By relaxing this strained eye muscle, my eyes return to their normal spherical shape and my vision improved naturally. Imagine your eyes moving smoothly, effortlessly, shifting focus without a hitch. That's the power of eye relaxation. Relaxation techniques, meditation for the eyes and face. I found that with meditation aimed at relaxation facial and eye muscle, listening daily helps eyes to recover and see better. Dynamic relaxation. This involves gentle dynamic movements like swaying to encourage total body relaxation. It's about relaxing every part of you from your eyes to your toes and release tension. Second, active dynamic watching. Next up, we have active dynamic watching. This skill is about looking at your surroundings with a relaxed gaze, letting your eyes move freely without eye strain. It's particularly beneficial for healing myopia, encouraging your eyes to adjust focus naturally. Third, training yourself to blink more often. Regular, gentle blinking plays a significant role in maintaining eye health, preventing dryness, and even helping to ease the muscle tension that contributes to myopia. Why blinking matters? Blinking is a natural reflective process that helps keep the eyes lubricated by spreading tears evenly across the surface of the eye, which is essential for clear vision. It also offers rest and restoration for the eye muscles, allowing them to relax momentarily. For individuals with myopia, blinking can be particularly beneficial. It helps to relieve eye strain on the eye muscles, and common issue for myopies due to excessive near work and the tendency to stare at the screens, which reduces blink rate. The challenge with myopia. Research shows that people with myopia tend to blink less frequently than those with normal vision. This reduced blink rate can exacerbate eye strain and dryness, making the eyes more fatigued and potentially worsening myopic condition over time. The lack of adequate blinking fails to relieve the eye tension in the eye muscles, leading to the circle of eye strain and discomfort. Training yourself to blink more often. First, understand the importance. The first step is recognizing the critical role blinking plays in the eye health. Understanding that something as simple as blinking can contribute to alleviating eye strain is a powerful motivator. Second, set reminders. In the digital age where screens dominate most of our times, setting periodic reminders to take a break and blink can be incredibly effective. Use of smartphone apps, timer tools to remind yourself to engage in conscious blinking exercises throughout the day. Third, practice mindful blinking. Mindful blinking involves being conscious of your blink rate and making an effort to blink softly and completely. Practice this by closing your eyes gently, pausing for a moment, and then opening them again. This method ensures that your eyes are adequately moisturized and the eye muscle get a chance to relax. Heal your eye health and enhance vision naturally with Eyesight Academy course. Fit seamlessly clear vision habits into your daily routine. A link in the description below.